Disinfecting your freshwater tank is a pretty simple process. First, if you have a whole house filter, you want to remove this and take the cartridge out and go ahead and put the filter housing back on without the filter. Once that's completed, you want to drain the freshwater tank. Let the freshwater tank drain. While that's draining, go ahead and combine a mixture of a 1/4 cup bleach and 1 gallon of water. That will treat 15 gallons of freshwater tank. If you have 30 gallons, go ahead and make 2 solutions. Once that's made, your tank should be done draining. If not, let it drain. When it's completed, turn off the valve and go ahead and dump that solution into your freshwater tank. Once solution is in there, go ahead and top off your tank with remaining fresh water. After that's completed, go inside, turn your freshwater pump on. Start by doing your kitchen faucet. You'll turn the hot and cold on, let it run till you can smell the odor of bleach. Once you can smell it, turn off the faucet, then continue on to your bathrooms, and then don't forget to do your outside shower also. After you completed everything, let it sit for about 4 hours. Let it clean up. Once it's clean, go ahead and dump your tank, refill it with fresh water, then go back and repeat the process, turning on your kitchen faucet, let the water run through until you get no more odor of bleach. Once that's completed, go on to the bathrooms and so on in your outdoor shower. Now it might take two tankfuls to do this to get all of the bleach liquid solution out. So continue the process till you don't smell any more of the bleach. Once that's completed, you can drain your tank and you're good to go.